Hey wonderful kids, I'm here with a wonderful session and this is your teacher Nana and everyone welcome to SwiftLearn. SwiftLearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here we are providing 100% live and interactive classes, personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students. That is why every student will get individual attention from the teacher while they are in the class. So everyone, book your free trial class today itself and get ready to enjoy the art of learning with SwiftLearn. And this is your today's topic, how to manage exam fear, stress and failure. So have you ever failed in exams? Or have you ever had the fear of exams? Then let's discuss about all these things today. So fear of failure, one of the greatest fear people have in their life. So today we're going to discuss about all these 4 things. So what is exam fear and what are the causes, the symptoms and the management? So do you know what the fear of exams called? Exam fear, the help is near, you're not alone. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destination. And this is a beautiful quote and it's so true. So the Latin name for the fear of test or the exam is known as testophobia. Phobia means the fear, testo means the exam, so the fear of exams. So Maria, she's an excellent girl. She's super smart and intelligent. But when it comes to the exams, she will always get sick just before the exams. And she can't do well for the exams as well. So why is this happening? It's because she has the testophobia. So she can't do well for the exam because she is suffering of the fear of test. The phobia can severely disrupt normal life, interfering with school, work or social relationships. So this is the scenario. You have an important exam, that is why you are walking to the examination hall. So while you are walking, a lot of thoughts are coming to your mind and you are unable to resist it. So because your life will be affected due to this test. Suddenly, the panic attack triggered and it caused us a lot of stress. So, your brain cannot properly function or apply the knowledge for certain question and suddenly your mind got blanked. It's because your brain cannot work properly while your body is stressed. And over here. So, why does this happen? Let's see some of the symptoms of testophobia. The thought of taking tests or exam will trigger a panic attack. You feel very sweaty, nervous and upset. Your heart may race and you may feel emotional and out of control. You will find it hard to cope with any task while these symptoms are flooding in your body. You feel nauseous and possibly lightheaded. So what exactly exam fear is? So exam fear can be defined as a phase of anxiety a child may experience during onset of exams. So all this stress and anxiety can cause the result in poor performance in the exam or even sickness which may make a child avoid exams, just like our Maria. So trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. So causes of exam fear. So these are the common causes of the exam fear. So if you are failed in the previous exam, so you will tend to have fear of failure for the coming exam as well. And your poor performance for the previous exam definitely can raise a stress about your coming exams. And if you are not prepared well, it will affect your exams and you will be stressed out. And you are scared of the remarks and the feedbacks from the authority. Low self-esteem and the confidence. Expectation of the parents and school authorities. So these are the causes of the exam fear. So here is the problem versus solution. What is the problem? Exactly. The problem is exam fear and the failure. So what is the solution? We won't let the fear win. We will win. Right? Yes. So nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. So these are the symptoms of the exam fear. Blank memory, severe anxiety, headaches, inability to fall asleep, frequent urination, exhaustion, stomach aches and lowering of blood pressure, fever, cramps in the hands and the leg, irritable bowels. So the tips to keep fear away during exams. Prepare well in advance. It can definitely benefit you to avoid the exam stress. Learn, try not to mug up. Revise properly, make time to relax, and avoid studying anything new just before the exam. So I have noticed so many people have this wrong habit of studying a lot of things and new concepts just before the exam. So what will happen? Your brain will get confused because of the complex information that you gave just now. And you won't be able to perform well during the exams. So please try to avoid that one. So the next one. So just before the exam, you have a tendency to ask your friends about how much they have prepared. So Rahul, have you prepared for this one? Have you studied photosynthesis? And what will happen? What will be the reply of Rahul? He will say either yes or no. And if it is a yes, you will be more scared because he studied that thing and you didn't study that thing. So you will tend to have a lot of fear and that can disrupt your exams. So during exams, if you get tensed or blank after seeing certain questions, what you can do? Just avoid the question for the moment and attempt the easy one and come back to the difficult question and you can do it. So here is a wonderful quote by Bill Gates. I failed in my exam in some subject, but my friend passed. Now he is the engineer in Microsoft and I'm the owner. So you got this and you can do it. So thank you everyone for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the session and please keep away your exam fear and failure is normal and you can do it. Thank you everyone.